the heck? What day is it? Oh my god! Project? Whoa. Project? What? I now know what I must do. Oh, well, you know what they say, cliche never strikes twice. What about somebody else's? So let's have a look at the list. That one will get me terminated. That one will most likely get me demonetized. Not that I'm monetized anyway, but, you know. Working on that one. Wait, why is that on the list? Oh gosh, alright, this is useless. Wait, there's one other thing I can do. I've been at the border between life and death itself. Oh, the screaming. And I also found this, Lirix. It's actually a super cool operating system with a super cool website. A little archaic, but I can't complain. Look, and it's perfectly on my iPad. Oh, and look, a BPIC. Cute. So this operating system is meant to, well, we don't actually know. But I do have a pretty good idea, and that is to emulate the look and feel of IRIX. Ah, I see what you did there. By shipping with MaXXdesktop or Max Interactive Desktop, depending on what part of the website you look at, which is meant to be sort of a spiritual successor to IRIX Interactive Desktop, which shipped on those funny mini-fridge looking computers, just like the one you're seeing right now. But as far as I know, this is where the similarities end. Because at the end of the day, Lirix isn't IRIX. It's actually just an Arch-based Linux distribution with MaXXdesktop. But of course I could be wrong, because I don't have any documentation on this operating system, so it's pretty much just all speculation, especially since I haven't even tried it out yet. So let's just install it and find out. So as per the usual, we're going to be installing onto this, the Lenovo ThinkPad T420. Oh no, it appears we do not have the power adapter. Wait, shit! Oh no, it appears the power adapter is not plugged in. Oh, whatever shall we do? Yeah, that's fine and dandy and all, but it's not at all how I do it nowadays. Probably do something a little bit more like... Yeah, that makes a little bit more sense. You find it funny how all these 420 videos have basically just been a parody of the one video I made in 2017? I basically haven't done anything creative since. And now with the computer thoroughly powered, we're going to install the operating system using this! A USB thumb drive. Because it wouldn't fit on a CD. Okay, before the entire plot falls apart, just don't ask questions. I like the yellow one. And you can't even tell it's there. Nice. So now it's got to turn it on, which I think I remember how to do this. There, I got it. Hey, so it is working. Nice. All we should have to do is come over here to this and press enter. And... nice. So now I just gotta... with speech. Kind of worried what that would entail, so let's just go with the regular one for now. Wait for Sina. Okay, nice. So boots, blue, very blue. Okay, interesting. Oh, okay. I didn't even touch anything. I was trying to read it. So here we are installing Lirix Mellifera. At least I think that's how you pronounce it. So we're English US. Easy install the installer for Lirix. Nice. Would you like to install Lirix at this moment? Yes. Select your key map. You got that right. Select which installation disk. I like how it has the option here. I could just totally install onto my thumb drive, but since we're installing off of that, I don't think it would exactly like it too much. UEFI detected, we'll use GPT, that's fine. Specify swap size in megabyte. Yes. So, since we have 6 gigabytes-ish, I'm going to give it 4. So 4096, that should do well enough. Selecting yes will erase the drive. I already erased it, so it should be fine. And the hard drive light is on. That's probably good. Ease auto partitioning complete. Nice. Whoa, XFS. Okay, that's cool. Butterfat. Okay, well we have to go with this one. Created XFS file system. Well, I hope we don't have to do any data recovery because that's probably not going to work on anything. Starting installation of Lirix. Setup will continue shortly hereafter. Nice. So I was just going to begin installing things. Wow. How painless. Nice. Unsquashifest using 4 processors, so this i3 is 2-core 4-thread, so that's why it's using 4 processors. Are all installers multi-threaded? I actually have no idea. Bruh, I walked away for like 2 minutes. Alright, well that was fast. Enter host name versus default is Apioform Hive. Okay, let's go with, gosh, okay. Not used to this keyboard. There, I cannot type. There we go. Enter username for main user. Let's just go with root. No, that's a bad idea. Enter password for this user. So let's just go with... okay. Enter description for the user. Okay, that's interesting. And do you wish to add an additional user? No. Select time zone. Let's go with New York. Where's New York? I guess Indianapolis works too. Installing for x86_64-EFI platform. This might actually be the first time a UEFI OS has actually been on this computer. I'm not in a great habit of actually installing in UEFI mode when I can. So, alright, setup complete. Nice. So now I should just be able to remove the thumb drive. Well, okay, once it's done. I learned my lesson last time. I don't think it liked that. It didn't like that. It most certainly... And it's out. Nice. So now this is going to go through XFS file system. Is that like... I didn't know IRIX had like its own file partitioning scheme. Or file system, sorry. That Linux can access. I had no idea. I thought that would be proprietary. I guess not. Main user. Oh, is that the password? Oh, okay, yeah. Whoa, sound works. Look at that! Oh my gosh! First time user, the MaXXdesktop is now properly configured for your user account. Ugh, gosh, I can't talk. Whoa. And here we have it. Max Interactive Desktop. This was astonishingly fast. Got this 5-minute install going here. What a nice looking operating system. Got your folders. I've been thinking though that, you know, the window decorations actually very much remind me of, what was it again? So, no, not BOS. What? Oh gosh. OS2, that's right. Oh my gosh. So I guess we just gotta find something to do with it. Now that it's on here. That was very fast and very painless. And look at the look of it though. Man, this is nice. My eyes are telling me that it's like not, it's not Linux, but it is Linux, right? So if I do, what the heck? What? Huh? Console? Oh, WinTerm. Maybe that's it. Ah, that's more like it. Yep, that looks better. So now if we do ls, this should give us everything that's in here. Took a little while. Nice. So now if we do make sure internet is, oops, I did not mean to do that. Oh gosh, this keyboard, oh man. Okay, so yeah, okay, so Ethernet should be working and it is. So now if we just, okay, how do you use Pac-Man again? Well, I think I figured it out. All we should have to do is do sudo pacman -s neofetch. So that should get us neofetch. Strange part is I would expect to have to update the package manager, but I guess not. Nice. So if we now run neofetch, we are running Lirix 64-bit on a ThinkPad T420. So it does actually have its own identifier. I was curious if they went that far. This is modern Firefox. What does it look like? I want to see. Show me. Oh gosh. You can see it scale across cores in real time. The fact this is this responsive is so cool. This doesn't feel like it. Oh my gosh. So let's try out some new modern Linux things, I guess. Okay, wait, but before we do that, a little late on that, huh? Anyways, so I was going to see if we can change the desktop colors to see if maybe we can make them something else. Now this I'm kind of excited about. Assuming I could find my bloody mouse cursor. Select SGI theme. Dark Bliss, Gotham. Oh, what does Gotham look like? Oh, I see. So it makes everything gray and darker. I like that. Huh, nice. If I were to run this on my main computer, this is probably the color scheme I would use. Which, I would totally be down for running this on my main computer. I don't know if this has any sort of high DPI support or how that would play out, because I would need, like, a bloody microscope to see anything on my 4K monitor. But, okay, well, let's see about installing some more modern Linux applications. Obvious choice. Always got to try this one out. Even though their website is an actual pain, it is more than a pain. It is actually a tremendous pain. If it makes me log into the website to download the bloody launcher, I swear I'm going to commit a felony. Oh, well, does that mean I can kind of just install it? Or... if so, this is going to be cool. Okay, so, no. So now if I do git clone, and because copy pasting doesn't appear to work for some reason, we're going to have to type this in manually. How pleasant. Oh my goodness, it worked. Do ls, cd into there, ls again. So now we've got this stuff. Now I should, what is it, make pkg? Java runtime. Okay, well maybe we can Pacman that. Maybe that's in Pacman. Whatever Pacman does. I don't know what Pacman does, but I'm gonna hope it has Java-runtime in it. I think. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was fast. Errors occurred. No packages were updated. Alright, well, I think I figured it out. The answer is Pacman-SYU, which updates everything. Who knew? Whoa, this is taking kind of a long time. Oh dear. And this version was released like a couple of days ago. I'm surprised. Admittedly, this is just so satisfying to watch. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Nice, so with any luck, now with all of the packages updated, like I kind of thought I had to do in the first place, kill me! Alright, well, can we at least get Java now? Yes, we can get Java. Okay, so, alright, that's better. Okay, cool. So now I can make PKG. And now it's going to start compiling, I think. That looks like a compiler to me. So that means it should only... oh, wait, it's done. Nice. Alright, now what do I do with these files? Alright, I need this. So, if I click on that, and if I click OK, then we should be able to... so here's the information on it. So that's like dependencies and stuff. So if I click install, and put in my password. Proceed with installation, yes. Alright, I think it worked. So, if that did it, I should now have Minecraft wherever it is. Nice! We got it! Nice! Okay, cool. Alright, we got Minecraft installed. This looks cursed. So, okay, I can't use Mojang anymore, so I'm gonna use my dumb Microsoft account. I'll be right back. So wrong. Oh my, oh, so wrong. Explore the tower in a whole new light. Become the Avatar once more and earn radiant rewards in luminous night. You can take your puns and you can shove them right somewhere where I would get demonetized if I said where it was. So here we go. Can we run Minecraft 1.18.2 on this operating system, which looks like it's from the 90s? Okay, where's my OS view thingy, by the way? Oh, I need that back. Ah, there we go. All the cores are doing core things, and the network is doing network things. This is straight out of a movie. This is amazing. I love this so much. If I can install this on Debian, I would use this. Oh, and also I've worked with high DPI, so yeah, it's working. Oh, this is terrifying. Okay. This isn't gonna run well on here, but no. Creative, you know, the UI is pretty responsive. Maybe I'll be wrong. So that's the CPU. usage and very close to real time, telling me how much on each core is using to render the world. Or not render, but generate the world. Oh, so you've used up basically all the RAM. How pleasant. Cool, that's nice. They said sarcastically. It's working, it's working, it's working, it's working! Minecraft. Oh, this isn't... Oh, this definitely could be worse. This definitely could be worse. I swear I'm gonna put this operating system on my MacBook. Of course, we're using up all of the CPU. I'm not surprised. Yeah, we're using all of the CPU. It's a little bit smaller again. Get those smaller bar graphs. There we go. It looks so satisfying. It's not exactly satisfying to know that running Minecraft, just moving around, we're using all of the CPU. Let's try turning down the graphic settings a little bit and see if maybe... Yeah, 12 chunks. That's a little steep. It doesn't make CPU load any better. Actually, it might. Oh, a little bit. Yeah, there we go. As you might expect, all of the CPU is due to moving around and generating chunks, and we can see that especially using these real-time graphs. It's incredible! Look, see, I stay in one place for a while, it loads all of the chunks, and the CPU usage goes down, but if I move again, it goes right back up, generating more land. Wow. We're getting around 40 FPS in Minecraft 1.18, and yeah, that's crazy. So if it isn't a copy of Lirix, what is on this hell CD? So before we end this off, I feel like we should have a look at one more program. Something that I feel like we're basically legally required to do, since this is meant to emulate IRIX after all. Which luckily won't be hard to know with the help of the AUR, or Arch User Repository, which essentially allows people to upload their own packages and maintain them, and download them and stuff. It's basically GitHub. That explanation is going to get me murdered. But in order to effectively use the AUR, we're going to need another program called Yay, which will essentially allow us to download packages from the AUR, but without that whole thing we did last time. So let's install it. Alright, let's see, are we going to be doing this the easy way or the hard way? Okay, alright. Well, I guess we're going to be doing this the hard way. So luckily, the hard way isn't really that hard. It's just a little bit more steps. So essentially what we need to do is download Yay from the AUR, and then, sort of like the way that we did the Minecraft launcher. So luckily that won't be that hard. So if I just git clone https://yay.get. Oops. Okay, so that should hopefully... Oh. Pff. Okay, yeah, that would cause problems. And now we should be able to cd into Yay and then make pkg. Running make pkg as root is not allowed, as it can cause permanent damage to your system. Okay. How, though? I mean, isn't it like root either way? Okay, alright, sure. Yep. Go. What do we need go for? Goodness. Alright, I guess it didn't take too long. So now if we run Yay, oops. It's going to update. What? Just running it required... Okay, sure. But there's going to be no hard drive space left. Okay, so... Flagged out-of-date AUR packages. Wait a minute. Whoa, okay, so that means this is working. So if I do Yay, FSV... So, File System Viewer... Some of you might know what that is. What we're going to see right now. Oh... You already did it. FSV. So it's giving me a list. So I believe the package we're looking for is 3. So if I put in 3, remove make dependencies after install, that would probably be better. Huh. Is it going to have me build it? Is it going to remove dependencies after install? Diffs to show. All, I guess? What's this? Can I press escape? What does it want me to do? What do you want me to do? I don't know what to do. It's Control C. Okay, let's try that again. I don't know what this is asking me. I'll just say none. Oh, okay, so there we go. I guess I answered correctly. And now it's installing FSV. So yeah, now it's preparing to build. I thought they would be pre-compiled binaries. I guess I'm wrong. I mean, this does mean it's like, you can use this on other architectures then, like easily out of the box, but... Oh. Is it done? So now if I run FSV2... There it is! Nice! Look at that! So yeah, some of you might have oh gosh, where did it go? Hey, segmentation fault. Okay, oops. Are you gonna just do that? Or no, okay, you're cool with that now. Seriously? Unable to locate theme engine in mod. Seems to be a lot of that going on. Would that cause it to crash like that though? So let's run it and look in the background. Does it keep spitting this out? I believe that is. So if I come over to PKG. Okay, alright. There we go. That's more like it. Nice. So this is FSV, a port of IRIX's, I forget what it was called. It was either FSV or something like that. Fusion, I think it was. But yeah, this is very close to being the file viewer used in Jurassic Park. Well, I mean, very close. It doesn't look quite the same, but what about if we switch over to that? Yes, that's it. Look at that. Oh, but okay, it does crash sometimes though. If you click on the graphical window, just hang around on it for too long. I guess it just doesn't like it. Over to tree view, and there we go. Look at that. Let's expand this directory. Oh, well, I can't move it around then. Oh, no. Okay, that's annoying. I'm guessing there's just like there's a bug, I guess. I should be able to hover my mouse over it, I'm guessing. Well, that does prove to be a problem. No! If I click it in the wrong place, it stops working. Well, I guess it does sort of work. Ah, dang it. So what have we learned today? Well, the world runs on BSD and hell runs on Lirix. So now if you'll excuse me, I have some unfinished business to attend to.
And despite numerous setbacks, the video is actually released within the month of April. Critical acclaim of probably about 2 people.
So quick PSA, a male succubus is not a mancubus, it is in fact an incubus. Entirely different, don't ask how I know that. And remember to tune into next week's episode. Oh.